What is up, you guys? I'm going to do a video. I'm going to be a first look at some things that I ordered from the Haro website. They were doing the 20% off. Now, I was looking and they had some number plates, so I was like, hell, why not? So I got a, let me see, a genuine vintage Series 1B number plate. Now, they had it in black. Let's actually just turn it over here. So they have it in blue, like a light blue, a red, and a black. Now if I was just gonna get one, I would have gotten the black and gray, but I feel like I'm just gonna open them up. Let's see what they all look like in person, and then I'll maybe put them on the bike, my 84 Groundmaster, and see which one looks best, see if they even fit. So let's just see if I got them on camera here. Let me turn this. Alright. Oh yeah. Feels pretty high, heavy. It doesn't feel cheap at all, man. Ooh, I like this blue, man. Series 1B. There we go. And it kind of perforates out, so it's not flat. There's some rise to it. It gives it a nice cool. The sun's going down, so it may not be the greatest video. So yeah, it feels pretty high quality. Oh, okay, we got some zip ties on the back. Velcro. Velcro to strap it down. And yeah, so pretty slick. Swing it out. What's nice about these boxes, at least, it's just two little zips and it's open. And here's the red one. Man, these things are really nice in real life. I've never had a number plate in my life. Now I got to get a number, and I'm going to go with number 3 because that's my favorite number. Oh, I like the red. You really can't go wrong. Black, red, and white is a killer combo. But yeah. There's no like snagginess, or it's smooth. It's, man. Alright. One to go. Now I actually think initially when they released these, I think they had them in a bunch of colors, but these are the 3 on the Haro site. It's 20% off, and if you have other coupons, you can actually get them pretty good deal. Cheap shipping. This is, there we go. A nice black. I feel like this is probably the coolest looking of the bunch. I really like this. Pretty happy with them all, actually. And so it's like, it's not stiff. What's up, guys? So I mounted the red one. This one's going to be my test dummy if I decide to keep it on, but I want to show you guys the fit real quick. So we'll look at it from the front. These are on 27-inch wide, 9-degree rise bars, and basically I just put some zip ties through these 2 center pieces, and these are the ones that came with the kit. Now the tops don't go. If you want this level to the bars, you know, if you've got a gyro, you're gonna have to deal with the cables. Now, I really didn't screw with it. These have holes. There's a sticker on the other side, so it's just a decal. So you're gonna have to go through the decal if you want to go that route. But if I really wanted to, I could just bolt it down. But it really doesn't matter. So you're gonna lose a little clearance if you want to go over the bars doing tricks. So that may be a negative. And it looks a little funky from back there. But you could probably drill holes through the cover to get your cables through. But anyway, I think it looks pretty good. I've got a number coming, my favorite number, and gonna put some stickers on there. So I already put an Amy sticker on. I felt like it was a nice touch for the year of the bike. Alright guys, what do y'all think?